If you normally try to pay for LinkedIn Premium, you'll be charged $33.74, and even that price is part of a limited offer. The regular cost to upgrade to Premium is $69.99. If we do the math, that's $33.74 times 12, which comes out to a whopping $404.88 per year. And remember, that's not even the original price. But there's actually a way to get the same LinkedIn Premium with all the features for about 90% cheaper. Let me show you. Head over to a website called gamsgo.com. The link will be in the description so you can follow along. Once you're on their homepage, click on the search bar at the top and search for LinkedIn. Then click on it. You'll be redirected to this page right here. From here, you can see they're offering the exact same LinkedIn Premium for €115, 99 cents for 12 months. That's literally a gift. You can choose the type of account you want. Business or career depends on what you want. The career account is cheaper, but if you want all the benefits that come with LinkedIn Premium, I recommend choosing business. Now click on the promo code section and enter the code I've put in the description, right after the link. You'll get an additional 10% off. Then complete the purchase by clicking on Join Now. Let me know in the comments if you tried this and if it actually worked. That's it for me. I'll catch you in the next video.